Hi, it's the nursing professor here. Today I want to take a moment to talk to you about the use of AI in nursing school. I believe it is a fabulous addition to the learning that you're going to get in nursing school, but it is not a substitute. And I want to caution you about that. I've seen many videos that say, oh, you just take the teacher's PowerPoint and you put it in AI and it'll give you it in paragraph format as to what it is you need to know. Yep, it'll do that. However, that is not building your critical thinking skills, which are necessary in order to pass exams. Now, for you students who this might be your second, third, fourth semester, you know that. Is that many of the problems with students not being successful in nursing school have nothing to do with knowledge, okay? Because many times they have the knowledge, but they don't have the ability to apply it. And critical thinking is all about application of the knowledge. So don't get caught up in that trap. Number two is it is not always the most current information. If you really take a look at the references, say you're doing a paper and you take a look at references and you're tempted to copy and paste, you're going to probably lose points because the references aren't frequently in APA format. And for some reason, I don't know what gets jumbled up there. It's like somebody needs to go back to the drawing board when it comes to citing references in AI. And number three is it will not help you build deductive reasoning or critical thinking, which is essential to passing nursing school. It's all about prioritization. What do you do first? What is the most critical component? Those types of things. All it does is give you the knowledge, and that knowledge is needed. However, it doesn't teach you how to apply it. So that is the reason why you still need teachers and tutors and coaches and all the things in order to help pull that information together. And you're going to find this semester in that your textbook will have an AI tool, which I think is great because it will help you be able to build sample test quizzes for you to prepare yourself before an exam. If you have something like ATI, they also have an AI portion that will help you build quizzes based on a particular topic. So those things are going to be just incredible as an adjunct as far as a learning tool for you all in nursing school. But I caution you, don't let that be the only thing, because it really can be a hindrance when you believe that the knowledge gained from just using AI, just like any other source, is enough for you to be successful. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, you want more tidbits to success, just like and share the video. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you next video. Bye for now.